Hi, my name is Dr. Stephanie Nixon. I'm with Nixon Speech and Language. I am just posting this. Today is February 25th, 2025. This is just an update on everything that's been going on for my motor speech and whether or not my motor speech, it's fluency, anything. But tomorrow I am having the double cervical disc replacement. And just as a note, I'm not taking the antispasmodic right now. So we'll see how this goes. All right. Okay, let's start with the motor speech tasks. And these are the Duffy motor speech tasks. So let's start with these. E, S, U, A, I, ow, M, B, P, T, N, K, G, Sh, S, Ch, F. One syllable words. Mom, Bob, peep, bib, tot, deed, kick, gay, 5, sis, zoos, church, shush, lull, roar. Then repeating words of increasing difficulty. Cat, catnip, catapult, catastrophe. And 2, please, pleasing, pleasingly. Thick, thicken, thickening. These words: animal, 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 snowman, 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 artillery, 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 stethoscope, 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 rhinoceros, 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 volcano, 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 harmonica, 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 octopus, 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 statistical analysis, statistical analysis, statistical analysis, statistical analysis, Methodist Episcopal Church, Methodist Episcopal Church, Methodist Episcopal Church. And then sentences. We saw several wild animals. We saw several wild animals. We saw several wild animals. I was only supposed to say it once. My physician wrote out a prescription. My physician wrote out a prescription. My physician wrote out a prescription. Sorry. The municipal judge sentenced the criminal. Just one. Sorry. Now we'll do 1 to 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Days of the week: Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey. And then from a different motor speech, let's see. Slowpoke, Conference, Tahiti, Dressmaker, Annapolis, Kindergarten, Condominium, Industrial Revolution, Winnie the Pooh and Tigger 2, Stiff, Stiffer, Stiffening, Baseball, Baseball Cap, Fan, Fancy, Fantastic, Glow, Glowing, Glistening, Glamorously, Riddle, Ridicule, Ridiculous. Now, these ones: the pretty girl was dancing, open this birthday present first, the stranger walked into the store, the bird watcher saw a Norwegian blue parrot. Now diadochokinetic tasks. Oh yeah. Ready? Pataka 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 pataka. Pataka 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 pataka. And now let's do the oral mech piece. Here, I'll take off my glasses a sec. Sorry. And then, whoops, I lost it. 1 second. Ow. Okay. For cough, and yes, I do cough when I'm eating or drinking. For nonverbal oral apraxia, let's do this one. Wait, I was trying to pucker. Dang it. All right. Oh yeah, and then let me do the prolonged ah. Ah. Let's do the caterpillar. The caterpillar. Do you like amusement parks? Well, I sure do. To amuse myself, I went twice last spring. My most memorable moment was riding on the caterpillar, which is a gigantic roller coaster high above the ground. When I saw how high the caterpillar rose into the bright blue sky, I knew it was for me. After waiting in line for 30 minutes, I made it to the front where the man measured my height to see if I was tall enough. I gave the man my coins, asked for change, and jumped on the cart. Tick, 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 the caterpillar climbed slowly up the tracks. It went so high I could see the parking lot. Boy, was I scared. I thought to myself, there's no turning back now. People were so scared they screamed as we swiftly zoomed fast, 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 and faster along the tracks. As quickly as it started, the caterpillar came to a stop. Unfortunately, it was time to pack the car and drive home. That night I dreamt of the wild ride on the caterpillar. Taking a trip to the amusement park and riding on the caterpillar was my most memorable moment ever. And then now for the rainbow passage. The rainbow passage. When the sunlight strikes raindrops in the air, they act as a prism and form a rainbow. The rainbow is a division of a white light into many beautiful colors. These take the shape of a long round arch with its path high above, and its two ends apparently beyond the horizon. There is, according to legend, a boiling pot of gold at one end. People look, but no one ever finds it. When a man looks for something beyond his reach, his friends say he is looking for the pot of gold at the end of a rainbow. Throughout the centuries, people have explained the rainbow in various ways. Some have accepted it as a miracle without physical explanation. To the Hebrews, it was a token that there would be no more universal floods. The Greeks used to imagine that it was a sign from the gods to foretell war or heavy rain. The Norsemen considered the rainbow as a bridge over which the gods passed from earth to their home in the sky. Others have tried to explain the phenomenon physically. Aristotle thought that the rainbow was caused by the reflection of the sun's rays by the rain. Since then, physicists have found that it is not reflection, but refraction by the raindrops which causes the rainbows. Many complicated ideas about the rainbow have been formed. The difference in the rainbow depends considerably upon the size of the drops, and the width of the colored band increases as the size of the drops increases. The actual primary rainbow observed is said to be the effect of the superimposition of a number of bows. If the red of the second bow falls upon the green of the first, the result is to give a bow with an abnormally wide yellow band, since red and green light, when mixed, form yellow. This is a very common type of bow, one showing mainly red and yellow with little or no green or blue. And then let's do the grandfather passage. The grandfather passage. You wish to know all about my grandfather. While he is nearly 93 years old, he dresses himself in an ancient black frock coat, usually minus several buttons. Yet he still thinks as swiftly as ever. A long flowing beard clings to his chin, giving those who observe him a pronounced feeling of the utmost respect. When he speaks, his voice is just a bit cracked and quivers a trifle. Twice each day he plays skillfully and with zest upon our small organ, except in the winter when the ooze or snow or ice prevents. He slowly takes a short walk in the open air each day. We have often urged him to walk more and smoke less, but he always answers banana oil. Grandfather likes to be modern in his language.